Hi, my name is Orro. I'm an artist and a musician who's working at the junction of humanities, ecology and technologies. Here at Biotoopia I'm presenting two works basically, and one is an artwork and the other one is sound, well, like a concert sound piece. What brings me to Biotoopia is a common interest in these subjects here, and it's actually quite rare in Estonia to get so many people together thinking about these things. So I'm quite excited about it. This concert here is quite rare because I give like at most one concert a year, so it's a special occasion for me to be at Biotoopia, both with my artworks and with my music.